Rolling through the city on these Foggiato, skinny, cheap and bubble gum.
Hey, what's up, everyone? Alright, this is part 2 of that multifunction super voltmeter thing I got going on here. Well, this is kind of sort of just a temporary mount for now. I'm eventually thinking about moving it over here. I'll still be able to get to my, my hood release, but right here and kind of angle it up. But I hate, looking over here at my voltage and looking over here for clipping. Yeah, I kind of want to mount this somewhere over here. So just trying to find a spot for this thing is definitely been a little bit of a challenge, but I like it. All right, so y'all get a good glimpse. This is the actual control unit for it. It's that's the Hall effect sensor right there that passes through the negative, connects to the unit. Positive comes off, negative comes off, runs over to your battery, and then temperature probe. And that's pretty much it. VAC 8010, it's the 500, it says 500 volts. I don't know about all that. I know 500 amps. I think it's 60 volts if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I hope this helps out. I hope you guys like. Definitely leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it. Until we meet again, peace and bass.